Hey guys, we are back with yet another video, and in this one we are going to talk about a few things. I have some good news. What should we start with? I'm looking, I'm searching what we should start with. We have things to talk about. We have Gotfunded to talk about. We have the Telegram group. But let us start with Gotfunded. We all saw what happened this week. Gotfunded put out a challenge of $1. $1 like this. Ugandan shillings, it is 3,000 something. $1, it is just $1, and you were able to get funded $1,000. That was crazy.
Gotfunded trader goes wild. $1,000 instant plans for just $1.
Just $1.
Just $1. Just $1.
Just $1.
Just $1. Just $1.
Just $1. $1,000 instant plan.
Instant plans. Instant plans. Instant plans.
GFT $1,000 instant plan.
$1,000 instant plan.
$1,000 instant plan.
500 spots available only.
The GFT revolution is here.
Start your GFT journey for $1.
The whole week started crazy. That is why what makes me think that it is such a right time to be a trader. It is such a good time because there is going to be opportunity. There is going to be plenty of good things coming for you. If you started now, you are among the lucky people and you're going to be profitable. You just have to be patient, better yourself, improve every day and learn. Yeah. So we saw that opportunity where it was $1 and you could have access to $1,000 funded. That is crazy, man. Because getting $1,000 into an account is tough. But that opportunity was there for 24 hours, and the people in Nigeria, they maxed it out. I think they were giving each country something like 20,000 people to join. I think the people in Uganda didn't really go for that, but people in other countries really went all in. I like Nigerians because they maxed it out. The $1 challenge for 1,000 funded, it was instant funded. It was not a challenge. You pay $1 and you're instantly funded 1,000. That was crazy. Anyway, another thing I want to talk about in Gotfunded is they have started introducing stocks. You can trade stocks with Gotfunded accounts. These include Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft. What else? I think Tesla, Amazon and Meta, plus more stocks. I'll put them somewhere so that you see all that they are offering. Stock trading, I've not yet explored it, but we are going to do that with Gotfunded. I just feel like, it is absurd that I don't have a table where I can sit and do these trades like I had my setup before, because I would make a video or a live stream so that we explore this account. I've not yet even taken one trade on it. Yeah, but I'm still taking trades. Right now, I'm in a trade, as you can see. I'm in a trade. I trade gold, and I'm in a trade. It is going on well, but we shall see where it will end up, right? So, yeah, that is exciting news. Stock trading, I'm lucky that I would want to get into various types of trades. I want to go S&P 500. I want to explore futures. I want to explore stock trading. Right now I'm in CFDs, which is forex, right? But that is the news. Gotfunded is evolving. We have too many prop firms, and if a prop firm is not learning and evolving, I don't think it will stay in business. But it's exciting being a prop firm trader at the moment, because you learn better with prop firms. You risk less and get more if you have your edge in trading. I'll keep on stressing that. That's if you have your edge in trading. You'll risk less and earn more. That is something that is really good that you should look out for. So what is stock trading? It is easy. The way you're trading GBP USD or Euro USD, you can trade the Tesla stock like that. Their movement is less, and it's not as volatile as the forex industry is. But we shall get into it when we are on a dashboard, on a real dashboard, because I don't want to explain too much something I've not done to you. That is why I come out and try to explain the things I've done. I always try to show what I've gained and what I've lost, Thank God I've not lost accounts anymore. The ones I have, I'm still trading, and hopefully even we shall get more payouts. But right now we are talking about the Telegram group. I'm planning on opening up a Telegram group. So I went and did some research, and there is already a Telegram group in my name. That's crazy. I saw a group and it was in my name. I don't have any. I was planning on opening up one. I'm going to open up a Telegram. Yes, it is going to be public. I think the people watching, if you want to talk to me better, you can use the Telegram to talk to me better instead of the comments. Also, the comments are really nice, but you can, talk to me better in the Telegram or email or something like that. I've seen your emails, guys, and they are amazing. Thank you, guys, for sticking to trading and giving it your all. One thing about trading, let me explain to you something. In my 3 years of trading, right? You enter it with a lot of zeal, you love it, then you win a little, then you start losing. And when you lose, you give up on it, right? That is what happens most of the times. You lose interest, so you go off. You go do your job, you continue with your life. And after some time, then you come back to it, because trading is a way out of, it's a lot of freedom you get with trading. So you come back and then learn, and maybe you lose again, and then you go off. So we are creating a Telegram group right now. I'll put it in the description. And I don't want it is a public group. This is the public group. It is not where I teach people how to trade. This is just a public group where we can talk and discuss. I know there are people that are watching this video that even trade more than I do. Absolutely. Those people exist that are watching and trade even more than I do. We shall advise each other. I've seen some people in the comments advising one another. That is what the group is all about, interacting. It is going to be a public group. And then next month, we shall start a group where we shall learn. All of us will learn from each other. And that one will be limited, I think. It will be limited. Because if we get too many there, it will lose purpose. And I want it to have purpose. I want it to be about trading and, faith in God. I want it to be simple, but I want it to make people profitable so that we can gain from prop firm trading. I hope I'm explaining it really well, but that is my vision for the future for the things I'm doing. I'm not the best trader, but I think I can help people become better traders a little bit from the little knowledge that I have. Anyway, those are the things I wanted to come out and talk about. Yeah, Gotfunded is going crazy. It is. I've seen some comments, most of them are overwhelmingly positive. Others are, a bit. But the thing about those negative comments, those people, first of all, maybe they don't know how to trade, or something happened and they are trying to, go astray. But yeah, for us, we shall keep going. People who are positive, we are trying to be positive in trading. We are trying to get payouts from trading so that we better our lives and better the lives of the people around us so that we can overflow. Yeah, but thank God we have started the Telegram group. I'm waiting for you guys there. I'll be able to answer some questions in there. But you can also, when you get access to the group, you can also inbox me on Telegram. So yeah, officially, we have opened a Telegram group for trading and motivation, for going slow and understanding the things we have to do to trade. Anyway, the trade is going really well. We are almost like 50% in profit now, and we thank God for that. Hopefully we shall be able to pass this challenge. It is a second phase that I'm doing on a certain prop farm, but I'll leave the Gotfunded link in the description. Those of you that want can go sign up with Gotfunded. It's not by force. It is not by force. If you want, go into the link, sign up, get a challenge, and let us start trading. People keep on asking, what lot size do you use? What percentage of the account do you risk? It's not too much. It is just, little. I try to be simple. I try to trade very simply, and I don't over risk it. I don't over trade. A day I take, one trade, but I put 2 positions. That is what is in my mind. So I hope that answers a little bit of your questions. We shall come back with another video, but definitely I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate you for reaching out, and a word of encouragement is do not give up on trading. Trading can really change your life. It is an opportunity, and we are early in it. So we should just put our heads down, study, and keep improving every day. Writing down. I've taken long without writing down, but you have to keep writing down, okay? But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.